Honorable Principal, respected teacher, and my dear friend, good morning to all. My name is Priya. I did first. Today date is 14 May 2024 and day is Tuesday. Today I am going to recite the poem. My first poem is This is the garden. Look around, rose and jasmine, lily and marigold, pink and red, yellow and white. Look so beautiful, smell so sweet. Thank you, no thanks a lot. My next poem is Here Comes the Train. Go and visit to get it to it, only the stop, get it to it, only the stop. The Rajan where the wind fly, the Rajan where the wind fly, who side, the train start again, choo, the train start again, choo. My next poem is Once I little but from hope. I cry little but will you stop. I don't go in the window to say hi to you, but in shoot a little bit and the way flew away. My next poem is Let us go through the day, while less fool and human, helpless to love, God will pray, helpless to love, God will. Thank you, have a nice day.